nakakapagod. Girl, ito na pala ang ano. Basta, tower. Yun. Oo nga. Room tour. Ang kalat ni guys. From door, here is the toilet. Oh, that's me. Utis ka! Grabe ang puyat. At meron siyang pahagdan. I'm sorry with this. With the door. And then, here is the room. Ang kalat ng room. To my new luggage. It's here. The current situation of the table, so magulo. Okay, so mas maganda na meron siyang, what do you call this? Tapos, ang pangsaksak pala dito ay same sa Qatar. So, buti na lang I have this. Moisturizer. Parang ang by the way, this is the view. Hindi kita. Mamaya na. Ito ba naka Maybelline and Chuchu. Maganda tong Chuchu. Kaganda ang buhay mo. In the shade. Marmalade. Okay siya agad. Ang attachment natin is ito. Dahil, this is the perfect one. Just put it here. May press. Just press this down. Press! And then pwede mo naman siyang iikot. So, let's make it like that. This is the hot and cold. Meron siya hot and cold. And then on off. Blower and then from this. Para malambot ang hair. Tell me what you need. But who are you to judge? Oh, diba? With the bow brush. So from this, gagamitan natin ang bow brush. Bow? Bow ba? Brush and then from TikTok na hair wax stick. Parang pinapress mo lang siya dito. Wala pala ako salamin. Ito na lang iPad. We don't have a mirror. But we have an iPad. So ito na lang. Ay! Saan ba ako tinigin dito? Uy, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Hi. This is the situation. Okay, game. And then, gamitin natin ang bow brush. Oh, diba? So, pag meron kasi, oh, super tuwid. Ponytail! Parang I think ponytail. Ganda niya nga. Okay. Highly recommended. Okay, after that. So, more pa. Para hanggang hapon siya. Nakaka-addict siya gamitin, girl. Kasi super tuwid niya, oh. The earrings. And who are you to judge? Ay, sino ka dyan? Ay! Okay. How's the look? Even the soap.